WITSON.
Good day guys, this is Rob from Icebox Auto here. It's got plenty of installs coming this week, so keep us on your YouTube channel and we'll be quite happy to bring you what we do and what products we sell. This is our AFV range, which is an Android 11 system. This is for an Audi A1. Also available for A6, A7s and a few other cars, Qs and that sort of thing. So just check on our iceboxauto.com website. I'll show you all our full range for the Audi. So this is our 12.3 Whopper, big beast that we've put in this today, which basically is just the CarPlay, which is also loaded up. This is a wireless connection, but also works through wired. Also, it's got Android Auto on it, but because my phone's a Apple product, this is what's shown today. As you can see, it's got some applications which is from the customer's phone. I'll just go back to the car settings here just to show you what that's the Bluetooth menu, and there we go. That's the new interface that's you'll find on a lot of the new Audis today if you buy originals to the car. So as you can see, this has got navigation, music, video, phone link, Bluetooth, car info, which takes you back to the takes you back to the original screen. As you can see, this works in through the aux of the car, so this is where you're going to be transferred through. It shows you all your original menus there, what you'd expect, so you don't lose any original features of the car. Little speedometer here, which is in KM, but we'll change that over to MPH in a moment. Here's your applications here, which is on the back end settings. As you can see, Google Maps, Play Store, voice search, iGo. Don't put these maps on here, we'll delete that because that's just one the Chinese stick on there. This one's your CarPlay app here. GPS test, file explorer, etc. So let's go back to here. Here's your settings, your back end settings, which shows you system, navigation, volume. You can put whatever map you want in there. So if you've downloaded Waze or whatever, you can select it. And when I select it there, if I go back to here and there and I click on navigation, as you can see, this is where your Google Maps is here. Let's just go back a little bit more. So this is let's go to show a few down here. Browser, which if you want to do a few internet searches for nice new products from iceboxauto.com. File manager, if you want to upload any APKs, third-party apps, stuff like that, you can do it through there. Dashboard shows you a nice little speedometer and your kph, which you can change the color if you want. Let's go back one. DVR camera not installed today. This is your video. Let's just show you nothing on there at the moment. Anything on the music. I'll be truthful with you, I hate this song because it's on all these systems. I want to stop it, get lost. Let's just pause it. Stupid song. Phone link. This obviously takes you back to here, back to the car, and let's have a little look at that one. Okay, it takes you back to here. Okay, that's it today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Got lots more products coming along to you soon, so just keep us on your subscribing to our channels, and then you'll see nice new products sooner or later. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
WITSON.